baby. Are you dancing? Dance. Dance. Yes, dance. Pickles. Hi, baby. Where'd you go? Peekaboo. Dancing. Where are you going? Dance. 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 Go, Pickles. Go, go. Go. Dance. Good boy. You pretty bird. Yeah. Dance. Dance. Go, Pickles. Go, 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 Pickles. Good boy. I love you. Hi, buddy. Pretty birdie. I love you. I love you. Peekaboo. Where's Pickles? Where's Pickles? Peekaboo. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. No? Play with beak? Give me the beak. Give me the beak. Oh, go birdie. Peekaboo. Pickles. Peekaboo. 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 Not gonna do it? Dance. You wanna dance instead? Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. Hi, buddy. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Dance. Dance. Good bird. Good bird. Good bird. Good bird. Good morning. Come. Good bird. Good bird. What bird? Quick. 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 No. Good bird. Hi, buddy. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Oh, that's a good bird. Good bird. Hi, buddy. Watch, Fat Cat's coming, so I have to get you out of here soon. Fat Cat. Hi, bud. Hi, buddy. Good morning. Peekaboo. Don't even think about it. He was here before you, and he'll be here after you. I will punch you in the nose. Not technically, but I will. Push you off the couch. Hi, bud. Hi, bud. Fat Cat's been living with her since she was a wee little hatchling. So Fat Cat doesn't really mind her. I think it's because she talks. Pardon my mess on my table. Well, it's not really a mess. It's organized chaos, really. But, Fat Cat's been living with her since she was a wee little hatchling. Hey, baby. So she doesn't really mind her. If she gets too close, Pickles generally lets her know by pecking at her nose or something. And I'm always right here. Right? Right. Yes, that's my tank in the background. I bought a cool new light for it just recently. If you watch, it changes colors. you'll see in the background. Are you dancing? Dance! Nope, gotta clean himself. Oh, it's gone blue. Then it goes purple. Should go red. Oh no. Yeah, red. And then orange. And then yellow. And then green. All the colors of the rainbow. Anyways, that's it for today. I'm going to put this guy back in his cage. I got to cook some food. He's just cleaning himself right now, as you can see. Hi, baby.